Well, I set the car GPS for Harrah's Casino in the French Quarter, and it's taking me through this rural area. I don't know why, but it's an interesting drive. It's like driving through a grove. This road is just cut right through thick, heavy, beautiful forests. Nothing on the left, nothing on the right, just trees all the way. It's a challenge driving through this kind of rain, trying to keep those tail lights in the front visible. You lose them and you're done for. You'll never know where you're at on the road. Heavy rain, right? Yet you get outside and all it is a very light rain. But when you're doing 60 miles an hour, you think you're driving through a monsoon. Nothing like a good rainstorm to wake you up. Nobody gets drowsy when they're about to die. And there is the great obelisk representing, I have no idea, but I'm sure it's important. This is Jackson, Mississippi, the capital of Mississippi. So I'm sure it represents something.